Did you push the button?
I'm thinking I did. Have fun.
Alright, it doesn't matter. You can either go to
Go away, Spencer. You're gonna fall in. Stop. Oh, I heard it. It's gonna crack. Okay, I'm gonna try to get up and shift from over there. Ready?
Yeah.
Go walk over there really fast.
Okay. Doesn't matter. It's up to you. Sunday? Alright.
Okay.
Okay. I love you.
Ow.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Melissa's sitting on the pool and her butt's all wet now.
It got right on it.
Okay, okay, Dad.
Oh my God, I can't look.
Okay. Okay. Love you.
You could have told me it was gonna crack over there.
I didn't know it was gonna crack.
Dipshit! No, I could have died, okay? I like rolled off the side. I like took an army jump and I was like, ah! Well, that would explain why the sun's out right on the pool. You need to get off. I think you should jump.
Jump?
The camera was pointing right towards you.
Are you recording this?
Yep.
What if I fall in?
I will laugh. That's where I fell.
Spend the night tonight. I'm not going to my dad till Sunday now.
Come on, do something. You're boring the camera. Jump.
No!
Look at that. Oh my God.
That was so funny.
No, it wasn't. Okay, I like cradled off the pool. And now my butt's all wet. What did your dad say?
Nothing.
If Tim was here, he would have laughed and not say, tell us to get off.
He didn't tell